Hi guys, welcome back to Jamila's Time. Today's video, I'm back again with Grace and she's going to introduce the food we are making. So Grace, what are we making today?
So hi guys, today we are making vegetable pasta with vegan meat. Join us in our kitchen today. For these ingredients, we have Royco, Maggi, black pepper, garlic, Aromat, chili pepper, carrots, bell pepper, onions, mushrooms, and we also have vegan meat, heavy cream. We have tomato paste, and pasta.
So Grace, what do we do first?
First, we're gonna fry the vegan meat.
Yeah.
We're gonna put it on the frying pan.
Do we need a little bit of oil or?
Yeah, we need a little bit of oil.
Olive oil?
Yeah, you can put olive oil. Then we're gonna fry it really nice
until it gets ready. Or oops.
Oh.
So I just learned something, like the meat you can put it in the pasta later without even doing this step, but the reason we do this step is because it has to be separate, and to make it juicy, that's why we add a little bit of oil and put it on a pan a little bit. And right now the meat is ready, so we are going further for making the vegetables.
Yes. So the next step, we are gonna fry our onions, carrots, and our garlic.
Yeah.
So first we're gonna put a little bit of oil, and then we will let it, like, you know, heat up a little bit. So then after our oil heating up, then we're gonna put in onions. We need onions for good taste, you know, a lot of onions.
But do you make them until they are brownish, or what?
No, I don't really make them brown. Yeah. I like them when they are not so brown.
Okay.
Yeah. Our onions, and then we can just add in, like, you know, carrots at once, and also garlic.
Okay.
Yeah. Then we have our carrots. There you go. And then garlic.
I feel like everybody, when they are cooking, they put onions and garlic at once.
Yeah. I think because they have almost the same taste, I think. So, and then you fry them really nice. Mix them really nice. I mean, just to heat up just a little bit, because then we are gonna boil them later.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think you don't have, like, to over fry them and all that.
Okay.
Yeah. But you know what I like to do? No. I like to put, like, a little bit of Aromat, because it contains salt. Yeah. Just to give it a little bit of salt and a little bit of taste.
Okay.
So then I'll put in Aromat. Just like that. Just a little bit. Oh, it smells so good.
The smell is so good, guys. It's so good.
I can't wait to eat.
I don't know.
I can't wait. Yeah, so I think now it's ready.
Okay.
And then we put it in.
I put it in here now.
Yeah, in our meat. So
yes.
Yeah, and then we move on to our mushrooms. There you go. And then we need some cooking juice, of course. It will heat up just a little bit, or I mean, if you want, you can just put mushrooms on, really. You don't have to wait.
Okay.
Then we have our mushrooms.
Smells so good. Like, I'm already excited to eat the food.
Exactly, like.
And if you don't know, this is my first time to taste vegan food.
Yeah.
So I'm really, really looking forward.
I mean, I was so surprised with vegan food. It's really it's really good. Like, oh, you can never know that it's even vegan. The key is just the spices is the key. Like, with vegan food, it tastes like meat. So, and then as soon as our mushrooms get soft, and yeah, like the way they are getting now, if they get soft,
yeah,
then we remove them. We put it with the other stuff we had already fried.
For how long have you been eating vegan food?
It's now like for 4 months. I have been vegan for 4 months, and and the reason why I'm eating vegan food is also because, I mean, I started caring more about animals, I would say, and also it's healthy, and I have seen a lot of changes with vegan food. Like, I've lost some weight.
Yeah.
I've lost some weight. I mean, with my periods, like, you know, they have really changed. I would say even my skin.
Yeah.
I mean, it's different. Like I don't have a lot of struggles.
Yeah.
So, but it's also nice, like when you're trying to lose weight, you don't have to be vegan, but you can try it.
Yeah.
I tried it and then I liked it.
It's
and
good with the diet, I think.
Yeah, exactly.
Especially if you're eating healthy food, because vegan food, I feel like it's vegetables and all these different things, so it's more healthier.
Yeah, it's vegan chicken, vegan meat, vegan burgers. So
wow.
I feel like you guys should try it. Really,
yeah,
it's worth it.
Okay.
So yeah, we go back to our cooking. So yeah, I think now the mushrooms are ready. Then we put them together with the other ingredients.
I'm really excited to see the outcome because I've never cooked like this before. Like
oh, it's gonna be good. Trust me. Yeah.
So we need more oil.
Yeah, oil. We oil it. So the next step here, we need a little bit of oil, and then we're gonna heat up our tomato paste. Yeah, tomato paste. So we need our tomato paste just to heat it up a little bit. Then you just
mix.
Just heat it up, just like this, and then
should I put it on high heat or low heat, medium?
It can be on low heat because then it jumps.
Okay.
Like in the sky, if it's it jumps. So.
Does it have to turn color? Does it have to
normally,
like, what is happening here?
Normally I wait for it like to turn a little bit brown before I put my tomatoes.
Okay.
Yeah, the cooking juice always needed while we are waiting. Cheers. So our next step, we're gonna put tomato in tomato paste. It's pasta, so we need all the tomatoes.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then we're gonna let it cook. We can put in a little bit of pepper to give it a taste, just a little bit.
Yeah.
Just like that. And then the aromat, just to give it that salt taste.
This we're gonna name Gracie's recipe.
Exactly. You guys. So our next step, we're gonna add in our heavy cream. This is our heavy cream.
So it's gonna be like creamy pasta.
No, not creamy, but it makes the sauce a little bit heavy, I would say.
Okay.
Yeah, we don't have to put everything. And I will just add in a little bit of Maggi just to make it more heavier even, and give it a little bit of taste as well. And also Maggi is salty, so, and I mean, it doesn't have to cook to boil.
Yeah.
It's just mixing
so
everything.
Should I just add it in our pot now?
Yeah, add it in our pot, and then just make the pot sit here where you were cooking from.
Okay.
And then we're gonna add everything
all together.
And then give it a good mix, guys. Always a good mix.
A good mix is good.
So our next step, we have Maggi. We're just gonna put in Maggi, Aromat, black pepper, and our chili pepper. So the next step is just water for now. We'll let it boil, and then the rest of the ingredients later.
So we add in water.
Yeah,
how much water?
I mean,
it doesn't matter.
You just look with your eyes how you want, water.
The African measurement.
The African measurements.
Look with your eyes. Measure with your eyes.
So, water. Maybe.
You just you tell me to stop.
Yeah, I will just mix and feel.
Yeah.
Sometimes water is about feeling as well. Feel, and then you add in more because it's gonna boil more. So guys, since our sauce has been boiling, then this is where we are gonna put in our pepper bells, both of them, just like that.
But for how long should the pepper bells cook?
Until the meat is ready. The last ingredient is Royco. We have to put it last because
the use of Royco, actually, it just makes food, stew, anything thicker. Like it makes things thicker.
Oh, and it smells good and tastes good. Oh, it's everything. I love Royco. So guys, our next step, we're gonna boil this pasta. Right now our food is ready. We're gonna put it on the plate and then we're gonna start eating.
I'm hungry, so I can't wait to eat.
And I hope she likes it because she's...
Definitely. Food is food.
Food is food, so I hope you like it. So,
yes. So guys, here is our finished product.
Yes.
The food really smells so good. I'm really looking forward. I'm excited to taste the food. So let's do the tasting part.
Yay.
I need the meat also. It tastes so good.
Really good.
Like, it smells like something I'm familiar with, but I'm trying to think of what is that, but I don't know. But it's something I grew up eating, and then like, oh my god, it tastes so good.
Because we have Royco.
But it tastes so good. But I even don't know how to describe it. Like, if you give me this and you say it's like pasta and meat, I wouldn't even maybe notice it. I don't know, unless you say that
pasta and vegan food.
I mean if you say yeah, if you're saying it's real like pasta and minced meat,
yeah,
I recommend vegan pasta and meat. So thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below and share it. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Thank you.
And thank you for inviting me. I really had fun cooking. Guys, you should try it. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.